So, good morning. Here I just made some, how do you call that? Tartelette is some pies with glazer, homemade caramel and chocolate. So I'll try to go a little closer. Here you can see the caramel cream sauce plus the dark chocolate there and the glazer on top. We'll see how it's gonna be. So, hi again. The pies are in the oven, so now I need to check the room here. Jean-Pierre, je fais des vidéos, tu sais, chaque jour pour le café. Ça va, ça te dérange pas si je filme un peu là ce qui se passe? This is Jean-Pierre, he works with us. Je te mettrai le lien d'ailleurs sur internet si tu veux regarder. This is the cookies we made yesterday, so I'm gonna fix that. And this here is new cups I got. So I'm gonna open it with that nice, very nice tool here, French tool. We have pretty many cups here. Try to show you again. So these cups, wait, I'm not such a good movie maker there. So here you have all the nice cups. These are from Swedish. That's from Swedish brand. They are really nice. I really like them. I get very affected when some of them break. I can show you there was one that broke recently and I got very affected by that. I don't know which one it was. Okay, it was, maybe it's not here. Okay, so now I'm gonna unpack the new cups. So it's hot because I'm holding the telephone at the same time. Here it is, best friend. So wait, we can do like So here are the cups we ordered recently from Broste, Copenhagen. It's a nice brand actually. I quite like what they do. Here's the one. So we have that one. I think, if I remember well, because I order pretty much since we need all the time new things because things break here. So I ordered I think 8 cups with handles or without. Here you have one more. Amazing. Voilà, tu peux juste filmer les tasses, je les mets toutes à côté, et puis après on est bon. So my colleague Jean-Pierre is filming. En fait, j'ai fait une chaîne sur internet où tous les jours en fait je montre ce que je fais. Comment dire? En fait, je montre l'envers du décor d'un café. Donc ça peut intéresser des gens, j'espère. Yeah. Là, tu la vois la tasse. Là. Okay, normalement, elles sont sympas. C'est des tasses comment dire? C'est des céramiques qui sont faites à Copenhague. Alors bon, je dis elles sont faites. Elles sont designées à Copenhague. Après, je ne sais pas si elles sont faites à Copenhague ou autre part, quelque part en Asie, par exemple. Okay. Interesting. So here we have one more, and the last is coming here. There's the last. So these two are the same, and these two here. So they're gonna go with the other cups we have, because like I said to you, we need to order regular here, and yeah, hopefully they're not gonna break until 20 years. Voilà. Merci monsieur.
Oh, t'es en plein dans le...
Okay guys, here we are with the pies. The glaze could have been a little bit better, honestly, but okay, it's not too bad. But really, I know I can make it much more better. Here's, as usually, cocos brownies, halong rotor, which means like small halong pies. And here, yeah, that's not too bad, but can really be much better. So here we have. That's good, yeah.